Just like how you see she send, after she send. Cause remember, yesterday she come to up on live, so she did make the picnic stay with auntie because the picnic never want to live in a so-called one bedroom. My 5-year-old have her own bed and she itch up under my arm every single night. She put a wedge between me and my husband. We have to sneak off of the bed for do what we have to do at night time. Which little pitney would I rather stay with other people that itch up under their mother at a young age? And them are not teenager. Every little pitney would I rather sleep under their mother bosom, pan a file paper pan the ground, than gone with the girl. The pitney just don't like you. Yeah, and then you come again and say, oh, you rent 3-bedroom and the pitney would I rather stay with the daddy and the stepmother than you. That sounds like a you problem. That sounds like the problem is you. So you are fighting for Mother of the Year and you're still not here today because you chat too much. It's sweet me when she come and chatty business. You see, I say this again, I don't know. So she not tap give people ammunition. You're not top give people ammunition. Become used against you. You chat too much. Yeah, I want 800 people are over here. No. Look at me, I forgot come off for this. Me not like so much crowd over here. You're not top give people ammunition for use against you every day you come and he swear that because him a come and him a bark the most profoundliest bark and the most passionate barking. Ruff, 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 ruff. He swear say but I only the idiot that we can fool. Me say, look at this girl giving me ammunition for use against her. Then the pitney no want to live with you. I never the one room of the problem. It was not the one room of the problem because when you get the 3 room, the pitney still not pick you. The pitney still not choose you. Yeah, and somebody come in my comment section and say, you used to left the little girl, forgot Jamaica, go stay with Vavi. And it sounds very true. You used to left the little girl, forgot Jamaica, go run back a Vavi. That sounds very much like you. Yeah. That sounds very much like you for true. Yeah, when you no come here, I love for chat off on the mouth for sympathy and them something there. And the one little time the pitney get to live with you, she start cut up herself. And you wanna be, I love her so much. I love her bad. She's my favorite person and of course I love Kay. I love her. Cause she give me them content and them ammunition I use against her. She had the biggest fool pan the app and the easiest thing for beat up. Who wouldn't love a fool like that? My favorite character. My favorite character pan the app. My favorite coffee pan the blood clot app. I want Mother of the Year award. Mother of the Year. Mother of the Year. You not get it, bitch. Cause you keep on to sink yourself deeper. Yeah. Yeah, worry about Rochelle. Yeah, worry about Rochelle. Rochelle, you know want nobody that me not understand. You don't want nobody talk about you and for your business what you put per ear. And you don't want nobody give you no advice and you don't want nobody come say nothing about you. But you wanna be up and somebody and you know just give them the advice and move on head up on the girl 24 hours in her breathing belly. Come out of the girl breathing tumok with your big ugly mouth. Come off of the girl back. She already a carry one baby. She don't want a big buffoon like you pan her. Yeah, Rochelle a Christian. Mother have to come cussing in the name of Jesus. And it's just the truth. You know, so anything I say is actual, factual. Anything must say, oh, it's actual, factual. And I'm not the biggest Rochelle fan. But the enemy of my enemy is my friend. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Bamboo, let me see what you are saying. Hello? What was so funny? What was so funny? What was so funny? But yeah, that is all I have to say. That is all I have to say.
Evan, at this point, you're the only somebody on the app have sense. You slice and dice everything with Casey and you make so much sense of it. She get the 1 bedroom pit in one stay. She get the 3 bedroom pit in one stay. So who are the problem? Take me down.
Your mother. The pitney just don't like you. The pitney just don't like you. The pitney just not like you. And all now she not take her time to educate herself on autism. She just don't have the patience or nothing, the wherewithal to deal with it. The wherewithal. You know, when me realize that she, you know, so she not really educate herself on when she go say, oh, when me go out in a crowd with my pitney, me must have wonder why everybody a look on my pitney. And I'm like, does this girl know say Anna every autism are the same thing? Anna everybody on the spectrum have the same symptoms. I'm like, what the fuck is boy. You know, she not have no friend. The time when Jamila did a come and I tell me about my pussy, she would have tell her to shut the fuck up. Cause me could have never see my friend I come on here, I sink herself deeper every day and just run her file and I chat be a fucker every day and I give people ammunition for use against her every day and I tell her to shut up. Jamila need to tell her to shut the fuck up. So Jamila, the time where did I tell me? But my front time, my all and one bag of fuckery. You need to tell your friend to shut up. Be a good friend. Be a good friend and tell her to shut up. Tell her to shut the fuck up and stop embarrassing herself by ear every day and give girl like Urban things to talk about her. Cause me not go too far for anything. It land right in my inbox. I got the screen recordings as my evidence. And I she out of fear mouth. And then a girl I say, oh shh. And everything where she talk out her own mouth. She had the weapon, her big mouth and the weapon we farm against herself. Our big mouth is the weapon we farm against herself. Them not tell her the truth, but maybe them not like her. Oh, this year. Me see where Renee I can say. Cause Renee, you like, you know.
Like some wait just in time. You know, you know I rub with the wrong way as me come out here and talk about this. When she talked about when her daughter was 9. No, earlier we not talk about Russell. Russell can't stay. So we don't know say Russell now no sense when it comes to manner. We not talk about she. But this is what me come about. Me don't like how, we don't know if we not hear the part where she talk about when the little girl I did 9, or the little girl did dunce, and how she cuss the little girl and tell her how she dunce. How can you cuss your little 9-year-old daughter? You rub me wrong and me not lie, me feel away. Oh, why you think the little girl did what I did for go to college? Because you cuss the little 9-year-old girl and tell her she done. So you can't do that as a mother. I don't know if I see that part of the screen recording there. But as a mother, if you're a picnic dunce at 9, it says a lot about you as a mother. If you're picnic dunce, you take the picnic and put the picnic in a extra lesson. Tap run down man and put the picnic in an extra lesson. That is how I come to say, my gone, goodbye. Take me down, please, ma'am.
Yeah. I don't know how to add next in because I don't want to tell none about no blood clot. So if you come in peace, type I come in peace. If you're in the request, type I come in peace. Because I don't want to send none up under on mother. I'm add you. Come and know you. Maybe I'm in a peace.
You're saying
I may have to say, oh, let me talk
Kay
my dance. Hold on.
don't educate herself about autism. Kay herself need education, you know. Kay need to go to school, go get some education. How you expect? And you see, she cussed the little pitney say she done. If she done, so she expect of a little pitney. What can you expect of that little kid? If the kids want to run off to college like that, trust me, it's the home. Something is wrong with the home. But because our people have now put it to her, you see how she says she raw and she's raw true?
Nobody nah be genuine and honest with her. Cause even the man taking the kid, the man say something is up and him take the pitney, but him not say, oh, you careless, or you don't know what you do. The man just take the pitney figure do it.
Come and said the man a fret pan him pitney every day. The
Of
man is a
course.
driver, right? Apparently the man is a truck driver. First of all, that man, if he's a truck driver,
You know, no time for no pitney.
not truck driver. Every truck driver me know the truck driver. Them you know them out pan the road.
12 hours. For
And the
12
step
hours.
is a nurse. So I send my pitney into a 9 to 5 home where people barely home, and apparently somebody else tweeting a my little tweet say a whole heap of people in the house too. And that is the same also where she said did a pinch up the son and them something there, and she want come convince me. I say she come and talk. No, she did come and talk. Said somebody did.
Because this week and next week she said them take the kid. She cussed the stepmother this week and next week she said, oh, they're taking it.
Them have to put things aside. So when she come and talk about, oh, never only can live good with you, and the woman never live good until them decide say they are a better place, because until the woman friend you up for take when you pick me.
Exactly, because she run Ghana, Jamaica back a man. So what can I help you?
Never did I live good. You and the stepmother never did I live in no blood clad peace, K. You come about Russia and your life full of problem. Make girl when I have no problem. Make girl when I mind man and bring man go find. Make girl when I beg pan the up talk about Rochelle. Me not say Rochelle for beg, you know. Me just say leave it to somebody that is not begging to call Rochelle out. No pot is not gonna call no Keko Black in urban site. Especially when urban don't like the pot. They are gonna cut it off.
Take me down there.
Once something come off. Why 10 can't talk to a woman? What? Because me can't say wife. That a no wife. She can't be wife. See my granddaughter here, 1 year old and 2 months. She not left me side. She don't left me side. So guess what? If you're picking it love you, then I left your side all when a tin mackerel and dumpling on her name. 10 need for talk to her. She chat too much.
You don't have no money.
No,
Listen, this is when a man is
do what they
not
want
bringing
do.
income. When a man is not bringing in any income, them not have no talk at all.
No,
He's not a real
make them do what they want to do.
Them-
The other day, I
and
level
them-
30 badge me have and enough of them me give. Where have pitney and me no regret it. Love the girl, same beg, share beg like the whole of no. So me see enough of them where they are foreign yet come talk about the girl. They are foreign and she need for start begging. So we not do now make content too. Right? I don't do. People not stop, you know. Lord the girl make she do what she want to do. I'm not a fan of Rochelle, but Lord the girl, Jesus Christ, man. Can you go find something and do and come off the internet 24 hours, 7 days a week?
The girl, they are back up the place. Like, you know, when you never have a little dog. Right now, when you got animal control.
Low 10 cocky. Cause 10 cocky are gonna be forever. People want to, you know, gonna be for you. Low it come a foreign, come take care of your picking where you look at Uno. Hey, sometimes some people you see, you know what? I can go in with my granddaughter before cool perish him out here. Then I love them pitney. A man they love.
Yeah.
Me go sign for Rochelle, I go through where she go through. Urban big up yourself.
Later. You know, when you have a little dog, your neighbor dog not bark down the whole place, you can't get no peace. We need to call animal control. TikTok need a animal control, because 10 can't control him pet. You know, when you have you're in a neighborhood and you have a little neighborhood dog with them let outside and them not bark down the whole fucking place, them owner can't control them. But I understand. Listen, them I try for convincing us that them the little man, they are the real man when I have no say in the household. Which me not wrong enough to give him no say. No man when I pay no bill, no man when I have a 9 to 5, no man when I have no stable income, no man when I have nothing, could not tell me if you not make no nice, you know, in a house when me I pay. So me understand, me go give her that, I will give that to her. If you cannot help or if you not pay a majority of the bills in my household, there's no way you can tell me if you talk back up the place on TikTok. But at them man that they want to forget because they want to sink low, you know, they want to sink low in a life like them. Yeah, and you want to say you're a good mother, but the man, baby mother, have to come on TikTok for come ask for money. The man not even a mining picnic. How embarrassing that must I not have no shame, because I would have shame. Me would have shame if my man, baby mother, which him don't have, Well, maybe in we get one out there, but me no know because I know when I go try to put up theories and thing. Oh no, say him not have no baby mother, him not have a baby mother to my blood clot knowledge. Come after come on the media come demand money twice. Not once but twice. That is very embarrassing for your top girl. And yeah, worry about girl and her ear do. Girl and her ear do, but guess what? Nobody now for beg for no money from no other woman out there, no pitney na mine. Every pitney that belongs to this household, I have my last name and my man last name, they are taken care of. They are taken care of. So the time you take worry about girl and wig and ear, you would all the bill them where you have a foreign, you there court. Hopefully you settle it on a old bill. But the people them said me say you're in a court for $1,600. One less lace wig would have solved that bill. Them wouldn't have to bring you to court. One less lace wig could have solved. You would have that the embarrassing something upon your name. When you Google your name, might have the first thing pop up. So you're gonna court for $1,600. Where the fuck are your priorities? Where the fuck are your lace wig and Urban where are sewing for 30 days and 90 days? Urban where are sewing for 3 months, 90 days, but Urban don't owe a soul in a yard or abroad. Google Shire channel, you don't see no Owens for my blood clot name. I never have a credit card. My husband put me as an authorized user and fee me one credit card where I have to give me my 804 credit score. I don't have a bill. The only debt I owe is my mortgage. Yeah, there are small claims court for $1,600 and I worry about girl and them ear. Yeah, me rather have a raggy shag. Me rather have a raggy shag. I know send me debt free. Nobody now me can't answer my phone and nobody I say, hello, this is debt collector calling. I hide from the creditor. Nobody now call me. You don't worry about girl. You worry about you should have come beg like Rochelle. Maybe somebody would have paid that off for you. Maybe somebody would have paid that off for you. 804 and that is no lie and it probably gone up. See if me can find me nice screenshot. Until Urban not tell lie on her life because Urban make sure say our life sort out so she don't after cap. Oh, and my bad, I was lying. Oopsie. 802, my bad. I'm gonna say gone up. Let me think 804. Maybe it is up now. 802. 802. But it probably gone up to 804 because that's must why I have that in my head. Yeah. Worry about getting there. I don't have a lace wig, but I also don't have a debt. Yeah. Now that collector now call down my blood clot phone. And the girl now call down my man I would it say then come in peace. And the girl now call down my man phone and ask for no picnic, if you take care of no picnic. Yeah. Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Me look a special needs man, make sure so we're alright. Funo IP type a bus band only bring down shame and embarrassment per phone name. Get a special needs like Urban. Get a special needs because when they're special needs, them hyper fixated on whatever career them choose and then woman will be their hyper fixation. Yeah. Who this a come on? Yeah. May I accept the request because I not stay on long, you know, my son come off. May I accept the request then, but you know, come on. I'm ready for customer, so make sure so I wanna come in peace.
Personally, me believe say, I'm not gonna say I'm a mother of two. I have two young ones. I am not going to say that Rochelle has a right to come on here and beg. But then the young lady,
I know she's not
right,
supposed to beg,
she's not
but
supposed
you
to.
not call her out and beg
Right.
me.
If it is that everybody, I personally would not come on TikTok and ask anybody for anything for my kids. I would go look a job because I was pregnant with both and working. But if that is how she do, it is better she go than if she go in a Walmart, get thief and them take a picture of her face. You got ear say, Rochelle, I walk up in a Walmart and I beg. And I don't see anybody I say, oh, where is the father? She not supposed to have to do that. She's not supposed to have that. Nobody not say, oh, where's the dad? Why is the dad not doing this? But you're not going to bash the mother. It is always a mother's problem. Always. And she's doing something for both our kids, them. I miss the care every day. I beg. She beg for her daughter to go college. She beg for her daughter to do this. So if it is that you can beg, why somebody else not supposed to beg? She got say about the baby that's the girl never said her baby was hungry. And then also, when I understand, say, Rachel baby just turned 1 and she pregnant again. Postpartum depression is nothing easy. And if you're a mother who does not have your kids with, you're going to say, oh, taking care of Kingston was difficult. So you give them. That's how a mother does. Not because it's difficult means you hand them away. Yeah, you have autism, but you don't just hand your child to somebody else because it's difficult. Raising
she make him gone from bad to worse because if she did get the little boy to help him would have probably alright. He would have probably undetectable right now, like my special needs, which is very much undetectable, okay? So when you talk about special needs, and you're gonna say my husband is special needs, you're supposed to look for my husband and say, listen, urban husband is special needs, but he's working a high-paying job and he has a family. That means that if I try with my special needs son, he can be something like urban.
Exactly. You just don't hand off. And then yesterday I was watching the live. She handed off her daughter and then she come back again, come hand off. You're just living happy and free when you have a baby who needs the help.
And I talk about insurance. You know, the child not have to live with the parent to get the insurance. Anywhere in America, any 50 states or how much other states there.
Once you have Medicaid, the baby can get every help what them need.
And this is you're an American. And just like how you can brag, so you get food stamp, you can't get Medicaid. You never need the daddy. You never need the daddy.
You never need the father. So once you have Medicaid,
but you
urban, don't even talk about Medicaid. Once you enroll that child into a public school system, the public school system is obligated to give you the help that the child requires. And they take them at their schools who take them at pre-K2 and pre-K3. So from this child was 3, you realize that, hey, there are things that are happening. You were supposed to take that child to a public school system, and he got all the evaluations done free, and they said there was nothing wrong with him. So I extracted him from the public school and put him back into private. You can get everything that you need once it is you put the child in a public school system. They're obligated to do it. So when you say, oh, it's difficult, so you give them away, but it's not difficult for you. Ridiculous.
I tell lie on Connecticut. Big Connecticut where how much rich people they will have so much resources. Oh, Connecticut lie. Me wish a Connecticut should have just strike you down a lightning flying on your big head. You never try. Because up until me bring it up, you was in denial. Say nothing. Me frightened yesterday when them sent me the screen record and I say I'm artistic. I was shook it because you make the people that hug me down, send me a diagnosis and nothing, and him not artistic or not another thing. And matter of fact, you don't even have to be artistic for the speech therapy or anything. Any one of the therapy them, you can be speech delayed or whatever it is. It doesn't have to have a label to it. But I'm not educate no more fool. And I'm gone. I just give her a taste of her own medicine.
It is ridiculous. I pray that Rochelle will feel better. Postpartum depression it's very difficult, and then will push the young lady for her hurt herself. If she got that show the pit them out. I see one mother, the father need to take care and pit so she can stop them.
I thank you, bye. Because them love man so much. Them never I got allowing Rochelle for come and beg, and then them find out that Denier did actually help Rochelle, and Rochelle is a liar and Rochelle is a wicked and them beat her. But no, them not man because
no, but Denier him it is okay. 2 pitney. She's supposed to go work with one young baby, and because you love her, you know how much people afraid of daycare. Daycare is not always the best option for kids that young. So she's supposed to go hand off her pitney like how you hand off your pitney them and go look at work. What are you saying? But you can take me off though. I'm leaving. I thank you.
Urban, Kay don't know nothing about special needs. She never took the time to go to anything with Kingston. Kay in Connecticut. I lived in the tri-state area with my son. Every special needs child get a Medicare waiver. Even though my husband was in the military and we had the good military insurance, I could have still gotten a Medicaid waiver from my son. Kay never do no early intervention. Like you, I said her one of the up them. And the girl cuss out me around. I'm like, I'm just trying to help you since the kid is in Jamaica and there's no ABA therapy in Jamaica. A lot of those stuff in Jamaica. So why would you even take him to Jamaica in the first place? Kay is a big worthless cutlass. I hate the girl, I say.
Yeah, she not all know, she not try to educate herself or nothing and see. And I'm like, if she sees that, well, that's a fair blood clot business.